How to log in into your Spotify app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Spotify app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will need to open up the Spotify app. If you don't have it, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now, you can be on the login option right here directly, or you will be on the sign up for free or login option right here. If you're on this page, tap on the login button, and after you tap on the login button, you can now continue with email, continue with Google, Facebook, or your Apple account. If you don't have an account, tap on the sign up button on the bottom. Now you can choose whichever option that is most suitable for you. If you have an account connected with Facebook, tap on continue with Facebook. If you have an account with Google, tap on continue with Google. Similarly, I'll just tap on continue with email. Now type in your email here. I'll just type in my email, and after typing in my email, you can just type in your password here. I'll just log in without my password. So if I do this, I'll just get an email from Spotify through which I can just log in into my account. So let me just head over there. Let me open up my email, and there we should have this email right here. If I tap on go to Spotify, it should redirect me to Spotify, logging in into my account. And that's how you do it, guys. That is basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.